Hey guys, I'm going to read through this week, Unit 5, Week 5 spelling words. We're going to first start with the prefix uni. You'll see a few words this week that have this prefix. When you see uni, it means one. Some example words could be unicycle, unicorn, or uniform. Your first uni word is universal. The definition is done or experienced by everyone. You can use it in a sentence like, he had an idea with universal acceptance. Next is university, is a school that offers courses leading to a degree. So it's one school you can go to for many different degrees. I applied to several public universities. Your next word is unison. This is when everyone in a group does something together or at the same time. So the choir sang in unison during a concert. Uniform is a special clothing that's worn by all members of a group. You can use it in a sentence like, I had to wear a school uniform when attending LVA. The next uni word is unicorn. This is an imaginary animal that looks like a horse and has one horn on its forehead. You can use it in the sentence like, the unicorn was created out of clay. Our next prefix this week is bi meaning two, like in bicycle, biplane, and bifocals. Your first word is bilingual. This is when someone can speak two different languages. It is a benefit for someone who is bilingual or can speak in bilingual languages. So this is stop and arrête. It's two different languages of the way or of the word stop. Your next word is bisect. This is to divide something into two equal parts. For example, draw a line that bisects the angle. Your next word is bifocals. Glasses that are divided into two parts to help a person see things that are nearby and far away. I have difficulty seeing up close and far away. My ophthalmologist recommended bifocals. You can see here on these pair of glasses that there's a slight line. That's where there's two different pieces of glasses here so you can see things nearby and far away. Your next word is biceps. This is a large muscle on both arms of the front of the upper arm. The reason that it has bi in front of it for two is because you have one on each arm, and normally when you're talking about biceps, you talk about both of them at the same time. So his biceps were huge. A biplane is an old plane that has two different sets of wings. You can see here there's a set on the top and a set on the bottom. The museum had a biplane on display. Your next prefix this week is tri. This means three, like tricycle, triangle, and triplicate. You can see here for the word triangle, it's a shape with three sides. The sentence is, it's very hard to draw an equilateral triangle. Your next word is triplicate. This is to make three copies of something. The teacher had to triplicate the packet for her classes. Normally you hear the word duplicate. That means when you make two of something. Triplicate just means to make three. Your last tri word is tricycle, and this is a bike with three wheels. Tricycles can be easier to ride than a bicycle. The next prefix is semi. This means half, like in the words semicolon, semi-sweet, and semicircle. The first word is semi-annual. This is happening every 6 months or every half of a year. Many stores have semi-annual sales around the holidays. Semicolon, this is a punctuation mark that separates major parts of the sentences into two complete thoughts. Learning when to use semicolons can be difficult when you first start. Semi-private is providing some privacy but not complete. So when we were placed in a semi-private room at the hospital while we waited for surgery, that means someone else was in the room, but maybe there was a curtain in between to make it semi-private. Your next word is semifinal. This is one of two games, matches or games that decide the teams that are moving into the finals. I can't believe our team made it to the semifinals. Next is semi-sweet. This is slightly or half as sweet. When you're cooking, if you're already adding sugar, you should use semi-sweet chocolate so that the treat isn't too sweet. The next word is semicircle. This is half of a circle. As you can see, the moon looks like a semicircle tonight. And the last prefix is re. This is to mean to go back or to do again. So like replay, redo, and recook. Reunion is to meet up again with a group of people. When this quarantine is over, I can't wait to have a reunion with my friends and family.